A monk wakes up before sunrise and does these five things before leaving his room. No phone, no coffee or tea. Just five simple habits. And the strange thing is, modern nervous system research now shows that each of these habits actually works, for a reason monks could never explain in scientific terms. Monks don't call it nervous system regulation. They call it gratitude, meditation, mindful eating. But when you strip away the labels, they're all sending the same signal your body needs. The danger is over. You're safe. Now you can rest. Take gratitude, for example. Being grateful for the things you have, even being grateful for difficult people, isn't just positive thinking. It helps slow down that mental alert loop that's constantly searching for potential danger. Mindful eating works in a similar way. Just as slow, steady breathing helps calm your body, eating slowly and consciously sends your body a signal. Nothing is chasing you. You're not in a rush. And planning the next day at night? That's basically the monastic version of closing open loops. Shutting down those unfinished mental tabs so your brain doesn't have to keep monitoring them all night. But here's something almost nobody understands. The habit that connects these two traditions isn't meditation, journaling, or breathing exercises. It's this: being still without adding anything. Monks have built their entire lives around this kind of stillness. Yet most of us can't even sit still for 2 minutes without reaching for our phones. You don't need a monastery. You only need five small signals, repeated every day, that tell your body, you are safe. Which habit will you start with today? Follow for the next one, because there's a sixth habit that almost never appears on modern lists.